Okay, our next form, arms down by the side of the body. We're going to turn our hip and shoulder together to float our arm across. So no effort with your arm, just focus on this idea of hip and shoulder rolling across. And you can mirror me if you like, our wrist is going to meet our hip. And when we do, we shift all our weight onto that leg and step out, heel and toe. And then we're going to just extend the hand forward, not reaching too far. Keep your shoulder heavy, elbow heavy. And then as you take your new breath, lean back. And then we're going to step back. Hand is going to come down and our other hand is going to push up. And then we'll just let that hand come down. All right, now to the other side. So shoulder and hip, just swing the arm across, no effort. We meet that wrist with our other hand and we're going to step out, heel and toe. Once our whole foot's on the ground, we shift our weight, just like we're serving a plate of food. Sigh out. New breath comes, we lift up. This top hand draws into the body, and then we step back and we extend. Big, deep sigh, space. Arm drops down. All right, let's keep going from side to side. Listening to the breath. Finding space in the fascia between bones. Notice how the chin turns to the open side. Just let your body find space each step. Listening to the breath. Feel your hand and turn your hip. Hip moves the arm. Shoulder and hip move together. Can we find this sense of external harmony, body, upper body and lower body working together? Take a break if you need to. And returning to center. Just notice how you feel.